You don't get to dictate dinner time. It's not food time. What are you staring at?
Oh,
huh?
You're...
I just realized it. It's not dinner time yet. No, it's not. I said no. Sorry, my phone is making light. That's cute. That was cute. That was very cute. Just because you say something's going to happen doesn't mean I'm going to get up and do it chop chop. Get over it.
You knock it off.
Can you believe this bitch?
Knock it off.
You're cute, though. You're absolutely beautiful. Oh, don't you kiss my ass.